Redox. Welcome to Farmyard, the home of short clip revision material and tutorials. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. Redox are reactions that involve electron transfer. An easy way to remember is by using oil rig. When producing half equations for oxidation, electrons are always on the right and for reduction on the left. Oxidation states can be used to track redox. Rules to know: a hydrogen is +1 in compounds. Oxygen is -2 unless in hydrogen peroxide, where it is -1, and elements and compounds are 0. There is a 4-step strategy to balance complicated redox half equations. Step 1. Add oxidation states. Step 2. Balance with electrons. Step 3. Balance the charge with H+, and finally balance the H+ with water. Now you know the basics. Please see our tutorial video, where we will solve a complicated redox half equation. Thanks for watching and see you again for more farmyard education.